Good morning. This is a short tutorial on the use of a website called Edmodo, which some people have described as Facebook for teachers, except it's secure. So you'll go to edmodo.com, and I have an account, so I will log in. But if you want to sign up, you'd click I am a teacher administrator. And there is a parent sign up, but it requires a parent code as well. So let me just log in. And you will see that I already have, and pretend like you can't see this information because it's old. None of these classes currently are active, but actually this one is an adult class for the EdTech cadre, the Educators Technology Cadre. We have a group going. Anyway, what you're able to do if you go to the home page, what you see is along the left-hand side the courses that you are in, the groups that you are in. They can be courses or they can be just conversation groups, professional groups like this Oregon EdTech Professional Development Cadre. Or you can go to your profile and upload your picture, give some information about yourself, connect to other people. This is the Facebook aspect of it, is in your profile. You can also mess with your account settings. There is a gradebook component. There is a library component. There's a lot to it, but what we want to do first of all is to go to the home button, and under here there's create. So I want to create a group. Let's say I want to create ACCS, Arlington Community Charter School Teacher Professional Development Group. Now I can default all the members to read only, which means they can only see announcements, but I wouldn't want that. I would want them all to be able to participate. I'm going to do a range here, and it's going to be kindergarten to 8th grade. And the subject area, everybody, and then create. You have created this account. The code to join the group is 73DE9V. So I would copy that. I can highlight it all and do Control-C for copy, and then close it. Now I have this group. And I click on this group tab here, and now I'm in the group. And all I have to do is type right here, and when you type in your message, you need to make sure who you're sending it to here. I already know it's the ACSCS teacher group because it says so right there. And then click send. Now it's in there. Now I can reply to it, I can make it public, I can tag it, or I can give it more information. I can link it, I can add it to the library if I happen to put in some sort of resource or something. There are group settings over here. You can subscribe to the group feed so that you get notices in your email when someone has been into the group and has changed a few things. You can have a public page so that other people know that you have the group. You can create a poll. For example, what kind of poll would I want to ask the teachers of? So the question would be, what is your best, what approach works best for your students when they begin a new module? And then I can say lecture, hope not, peer discussion, mini lesson, puzzle or activity. I don't know. There could be others as well. And then send that to the group, and then they will have to answer that. And as they go in to reply to it, you can see these lines fill up to see how many people voted and who voted for what. You can add assignments, and I do this for classes, of course, when I'm teaching students through here, all ages up through graduate students at Portland State. But you can also use it for assigning, activities to do in the classroom, things that you want everyone to. This week, everybody is going to do a sample, take an essay sample, and this is your prompt for this essay, something like that. Anyway, because you have the code that gets people into this, only people who have the code and know the code are invited to come into the group. So I just send people the message and invite them to join the group. You can also, there's a support community that's very responsive. I've had them responding within, there's a lead person who responds. His name is Jeff O'Hara most of the time, who responds within 20 or 30 minutes. But also we all the users, all the teachers who use Edmodo can respond to one another. So there's always a lot of great information in there. I just peruse it just because you learn something new from what all of the teachers are doing in their classes for this. So this is just meant to be a brief introduction to Edmodo. Let me know if you have other questions. Thank you.